As a working chef, I'm always drawn to the classics, and one of my favorites is chicken Divan, so I've simplified it so that you can recreate it in your own home kitchen. And I started by blanching some broccoli in some boiling salted water, and I plunged it into ice water to stop the cooking. In the meantime, I'm also reducing a can of chicken broth from 14 ounces to about 1 cup. And I've got a saute pan heating with some butter. Now I'll add some flour, some salt, and some white pepper, and then about 1/4 cup of cream, and I'll cook it until it thickens up. Now into that roux I'm going to add some white wine and some Parmesan cheese, and that will become our sauce. Now we're keeping the sauce warm, and in the meantime I've got another pan heating, and I will saute chicken breasts until they're nicely browned on one side, and then as I turn them I will finish them in a 350-degree oven until they're just about cooked through. I think my chicken's done now, so I'll pull it from the oven and placing on my serving plate. And I'll just spoon some of that delicious sauce right over the chicken. And place the broccoli also on the plate. This recipe is yours if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.